Hello, and welcome back. It's Wade, and I'm up on the Rocky Lake Road again. I'm almost at the Waverly Road, and instead of going to Dartmouth or Montebello, I'm going to go towards Fall River and check out a place that I was there last year, not on the bike, but there's some trails up there and some waterfall and stuff like that. So I was just gonna go up there and check it out to let you see. And as soon as we get around this corner here, so this is Waverly Road here. Oh, we'll wait for this car. I think we're good. Okay. I don't think we have to go too far on the Waverly Road here. There's when we hit a roundabout, that's where we're going to take an offshoot of the roundabout, and we're going to go up that way and kind of under the highway. There's a highway right up there. I think it's the 118 maybe. Not 100% sure. I never really traveled that one. That takes you out to the 102, connects to the 102, which then goes to the airport. We're kind of going on the back side of the airport a little bit, but we'll see when we get there. It's a beautiful day. It's a Friday before the May 2-4 long weekend up here in Canada. And I decided to take the day off of work, so I'll make myself an extra long weekend. So we're not too far now. You can see the 102 highway from here. And if I continued past the roundabout, I would be going into Fall River. And I was out the Fall River way last weekend. The girlfriend had to drop off some tools, and it's quite grown up out that way. I'm really surprised. I really don't go up the Fall River way very much. Well, there's really no reason for me to go up there at all, except for a drive or something like that. And like I said, I was really surprised how grown up it was. So here's the roundabout, and as you can see, it's a cross, and we're going to be going up. Going up this way, following that white vehicle. And this connects to that highway. I think it's the 118, but I'll see in a second, I'm sure. I probably missed it. Probably said it back there on the sign. I'm not even looking. Ooh, this is quite the turn here. And right there is the connector. I'm going to follow that dump truck there. And I guess it doesn't really say what the highway number is for whatever reason. Oh, come on, let's make that light. So we're going to go right to the end of this road. This is... I don't know where this is. I have no clue what this area is called. but there is a some nice trail up here. I believe there's 2 waterfalls up here. One of them I did go to, and one I didn't, but I've been told that it is up here. So I haven't seen it, like I said, myself. And I think it's off of the road right here, but there's the other ones you got to kind of go in the woods and then up a path, and I'll show you where that is when we get there. A little mud down there. If it wasn't so wet, I might go down there. I don't want to get full of muck. Well, I don't even know what the muck's going to look like up here. There is something going on back there, though. Like, there's a porta potty there. Not sure if that's looks like a natural gas place there. Oh, it could be a pipeline connecting to the airport for jet fuel. Probably from down the end of what's it called? I can't think of it. There's some tanker farms down Dartmouth way. That probably this is what that path is. This pipe here. You can see the pipeline, and I would put money that it's jet fuel. I think the fall's right down there. I could see it. So that's one fall, and I could see it kind of going down like that. I don't know if you could see it down like that over the embankment there. The water was all, you know, rough. So that's one fall, which I haven't seen up close, but it's supposed to be not too bad. And there are some big houses back here. You can see that's a big house. And so this is the end of the paved, and this goes into the trail that we're going to go check out. You can see this looks like it was quite muddy at some points in the early spring and fall. And right over here, I think it's down there. I believe it's down there is the path that takes you to a waterfall. And so that's the second waterfall there. I'm pretty sure, let me just go up here and double check, but I'm pretty sure that's the waterfall. I'm just going to do a little circle here. And I'm not going to go down it because it becomes basically a walking path, if that is it, or it could be right around here. I'm just going to, no, it's here. So here is the path. Not that first one that I said. This is the path here that's going to take you to a really pretty cool waterfall. Let me just... I can't go to the waterfall on the bike because it becomes narrow at a certain point, and it basically becomes a walking path. And if you continue down here, there's a little bridge. I'll just go a little bit past the bridge here. So this is the bridge that I was saying. Metal bridge. It looks pretty sturdy, this bridge. Like, we kind of had a quick look at it. And maybe do some fishing around here. This might be a place to check. Oh, this could be a good place for fishing. Now that I'm thinking about it, I think there's a pond back there I saw. And maybe up that way. I like this type of fishing. Could even be fish under this bridge here, who knows. But basically, if you continue down here, it will take you to a waterfall, and I'll put some pictures in. Maybe I might even, I think I have a video or two that I might be able to splice in, but I'm not sure. So let's just go a little bit more, we'll see. I do have to turn around though. So basically, it's like this the whole way, and it becomes narrower and narrower until it becomes basically just a walking path. Ooh. So we're going to go down a little bit. I can see an aircraft up there. Let me just get up here a little bit. So we're going to continue down this road a bit. And I know where it comes out, but I'll do that. Probably going to cut the video here and do a 2 video here. One just for the waterfalls and one for the trail itself here. So I hope you enjoyed the video and the shots of the waterfall that I'm going to splice in wherever. I'm not sure it's going to be now or it's already done, but you'll see it. And check it out and enjoy. Have a great day, and as always, enjoy your rides. Goodbye.